Hey, what's up everybody? I hope your day is going awesome and productive. So I just took a break. It's the mid-afternoon doldrums for me. My eyes were starting to fatigue. My energy was crashing. I don't turn to coffee or caffeine because I get worried that it's going to disrupt my sleep. So a good afternoon pick-me-up for me, I absolutely love turning to LiveGood Organic Super Reds. There are so many awesome ingredients that help increase blood flow. They're antioxidants, colorful. They're derived from the colorful plants and fruits and vegetables. All the things that we really want to be consuming on a daily basis, but many times fall short. I mean, just like you, I do get a sense of satisfaction out of eating a healthy plate of food that has the colors of the rainbow. But yeah, again, it's difficult to do it every single day and have the discipline and the time for meal prep, and especially if you're traveling. So, and the list can just go on. But I want to highlight one ingredient, right? The aronia berry. So we have aronia berries, one of many awesome ingredients in our LiveGood Organic Super Reds. But the aronia berry is sourced from a family farm in Iowa. It's the only domestic source of aronia berries. It's sustainably harvested, sustainably grown. It's USDA certified organic. And the aronia berry, I mean, look, we'd all love to grow our own fruits and vegetables at home. That would be ideal and amazing. I encourage you to do so, even if it's on a small scale. But quite frankly, you're never going to be able to get to a full scale to produce enough every single day. So the aronia berries that we source are really great. They're a spectacular ingredient. They're great for increasing the nitric oxide in our body, which helps to increase our circulation. So it can give you some energy boost. They're also an antioxidant. And it's one of those things where you know you're getting the colorful fruits and vegetables that you may not be getting on a daily basis. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my LiveGood Organic Super Reds, and I hope you will too. Cheers.